morning, everyone. Well, today I planned on making embellishments, but I am showing my collection obsession because that's what we're supposed to do on the first. So I am going to do Mintay's School Days. And if you've seen my A Cherry on Top haul, then you've probably seen this already. So I'm just going to kind of give a quick flip through. This is a 6x8, and it has different things in it than the kit does. So, or it's called Scrapbooking Paper Set. So this has, you know, like some more older kids things in it, so that's fun. Oops, I just can't hold on to it. It's got the lockers in there, and then it changes, I think, in the front. So it has like writing here instead of just printing. Has the lockers, pencils. I guess that one's the same. Okay, so maybe this is just different than the pad or the kit. Yeah, so I mean, super cute. Okay, and then the regular pad or paper set. I never know what to call it because it's not really I don't think it's really a kit. I mean, even though to me I feel like everything's in it. So you get all these cut aparts, and I actually bought an extra sheet of this because I wanted it for this. But you know what? I think, you know, I've got the twins. I think I'm gonna just cut this up too. I've got the extra, you know, we don't really get to see this when it's on, when they show it on the scrapbook stores. So I didn't know that these were in here, so I kind of bought it for the lockers, but now I have it in here, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. That way I have the extra ones. And I also have this, but sometimes these are a different size. And sometimes I do, you know, almost matching for the twins, or sometimes completely matching. So I have these, and they're usually very close to what is here, I think. I think they're almost identical. Maybe you get a few more in one than the other. But, so I have that, and this is paper number 1. And front and back, and this is paper number 2. Front and back. Paper number 3. Front and back. Paper number 4. Front and back. And like I said, I'm just kind of giving you the quick run through, just because I did show it all really good on the haul video. And then there's also these, where if I really run out of the, you know, the die cuts and the cut aparts, or the fussy cutting pieces, I can fussy cut these, which I have totally done. And I love seeing like this. This is so, I mean, they're all so cute. And then this side looks like this. So that's the whole paper set. And then, like I said, I have this. I have the 6x8. Now, when I cut apart these, I put them in one of these, it's like an Ariel pocket, but it's the Amazon brand, so it's cheaper. And this, well, I've bought 2 different sizes. This one is, it's 6 3/4 by 9.5. And I just cut my paper, or a piece of cardstock, a little bit smaller, and then I just put all my pieces in that, and that's how I always save these. And I love them like that. So I'm going to push this out of the way now because otherwise it's going to glare. And then I have these DCWV Vellum quote stacks, and I don't know if I will actually use these, but I might. And or I might just, you know, use part of it to make up a title just for ideas. And so I thought, well, I don't know if I've ever used anything out of this, but part of my reason, you know, part of the thing, what I've been doing with the collection obsession is putting in things that I just haven't used. So, because then I've used them. So it's like, I love doing that. So I also pulled in, whoops, 4 colors of photo corners. I thought black would be perfect for any school photos. Here is a navy that goes well with this. This is, whenever I think of school color, it's this color yellow. So I'm putting in that, and I'm sorry if I'm loud today, but I've got the fan going because I just canned some chili mix. And then this red, and I don't know, I had another red, but I mean, even this one doesn't match real well, but it kind of matches some of it. But I only have 2 of those, but you just never know, I might use it. This was laying out. I'm trying to clean up my art room. That's part of my going through scraps thing. And so I have this that's just been sitting out, and I thought, oh, it looks school-like. So I'm putting in that. This I also hadn't put away, so I'm putting in this because it kind of looks like typewriter keys, but they have words in it. And I mean, fun, good, happy, hope, true, time, laugh, path. So I mean, it's life's journey, and this is from K&Co. I think this was Heidi Swapp, if I'm not mistaken. And then this was actually just sitting out that I thought, I know I have some more of these where it just looks like school paper. So I thought, well, I'm going to throw this in, and I don't remember where it's from. I know I got it at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure I got it at Hobby Lobby, but so I just thought, well, I'm going to throw this in here because it was sitting on my table. And these I had in the last collection obsession, and I just thought, oh, the colors work really good with it. And then also with, you know, some of these pinks. I mean, she's got a little pink bow in. So I thought, I'm just going to throw these in here again because maybe I'll use some. And I actually put in the same color ribbon because it matched, and then white. So those things I just put in the same. And I actually put in the same, I mean, it's like a lot of the collections are the same color nowadays. I put in this gingham because it's the same color as this pink flower. This says something, these are the days. And I thought that reminds me of this, so I thought I'm gonna leave that in here. And this has words on it too. I think it's laugh more, love more, live more. So, and it's the same color as this here, or well, it's like the same family, just darker. So I thought I'm gonna put those in there. I had my tabs that I made out. Now, I don't know if I will actually use some of these, but just, I've kind of left them here actually. They've been sitting on my desk because it's like, it reminds me that I can make tabs to match something if I want to. And so, you know, I've just kind of left them out here. And so, this is from when I did the Great Catch, and it's got the name of the spider web that I ran into. If you haven't seen that video, I think it's a funny video, just even though it was pretty frantic to me. And so, and that was where I just found this paper, and I think this was the branding strip, but the way it was done, I just thought it looked way cool. And so I'm putting those here where I will see them if it reminds me to. I mean, so it can remind me to do tabs because it's a school thing, so that would be perfect. And I thought September is the perfect time to do some school photos. And then I pulled in these, which I think had out for the last one, but I thought that's perfect because it's black, it's tabs. I mean, it's so like school, office, related, so that will be good. So I think that's it for my collections. And oh, you know what? I never showed my extra papers I brought in because they were in the back and I just left them there, I guess. Okay, so I thought I'm gonna bring in some black. So I brought this one, and actually there's 2 pieces of paper here, so, oh, the other one's still back here. Okay, so this is from Boulevard. I can't talk today either. Okay, so it's like it's this cross hatch, or it's almost like a screen print, and then this one has dots, and it's, you know, it's 2-sided, so you get one on each side. So if I do the twins and I want one way and one the other, I can do that. I just brought in 2 pieces of white paper just to remind me that I can use white if I need to. And then I thought I'm gonna go get a wood color that kind of makes me think of school. It's so funny because I pulled this one out, and sure enough, it's from back to school from Echo Park, and it actually has pencils on this side. But I thought, well, if I need a piece of wood, this would be really good to go with these colors. So that's it. And so that's everything. Yep. And so that's it for today. I just wanted to show you the collection I'm using. And tomorrow I'm going to do some more embellishments. And I'm trying to make a dent in those, and then I think I'll probably sort through them and just maybe color divide them. But I'm gonna do another set of embellishments with the parts that I've die cut. I did end up having to die cut a few more background pieces, so yeah, that's what I'm doing next. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Oh, I will have all the people that are doing the collection obsession listed down below. So go over and see what they're going to be using this month. Remember, we're doing 1 paper kit, well, and anything they put in with it. And we're going to be doing 4 layouts. I know Scylla, I think she did like 7 last month, or maybe she did more, I don't know. But it's fun to see what everybody does, because it's just amazing, you know, how sometimes, you know, you do a layout with a kit and then you just kind of put it away and forget about it. So I really like doing this, and I love putting in things that I haven't used. So, and I know Scylla did that last time, and I think Ginger, she always puts in like her, you know, like she does the embellishment swap, so I know she always pulls in a bunch of those things too, and that's fun. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. I thought I was done, and I wasn't. I also pulled in 2 of these Heidi Swapp papers that have the ledger, because I thought this is perfect. It has that turquoisey color, and it also has like the pink that's in here, so this would be perfect. And this kind of almost looks like if you had a turquoise chalkboard. So, sorry I had to jump back on, but you know how I am. And so I will have, you know, another shot at the end, just kind of showing everything. So, see you tomorrow.